The Social Sector was produced by award-winning creative agency Ralph, in collaboration with USA Network to promote their hit show Psych. The 8-week interactive web series recruited fans as digital assistants to help Sean and Gus track down a killer lurking within a seemingly innocent reality show. Working alongside the show's producers, Ralph branded, designed and developed the entire online experience to create mini-games, social challenges and videos. The webisodes were shot and produced with the show's cast and crew to give fans an exciting way to take part in an authentic Psych case with the lead characters. The mini-games included challenges such as pinning a pig, assembling puzzles, hacking into a computer, and many others. And every time fans interacted with a challenge, they'd earn loyalty points in Club Psych. Each week, the digital assistants collected and analysed evidence from the webisode, and the Theatrix platform allowed fans to upload videos to discuss theories and clues amongst each other. Sean and Gus would also occasionally pop up to help out with clues. The experience was designed to work with tablets using HTML5, giving everyone the chance to access content on the go. The adventure was designed as a social experience to be integrated with Facebook and Twitter so that new games and challenges became available as more fans took part. The Social Sector was exactly what its name implied, a cross-media campaign that allowed fans to interact with each other as well as with characters from the show. To learn more and to experience the full adventure for yourself, go to socialsector.usanetwork.com.